Hello, crypto world. Noon in the United States, midnight in Asia, and we are dealing with the same problem. Everything's going down, and the equity market, as we discussed last night, is leading, and the futures on the equity markets are leading the crypto market down. This is a chart of how correlated they are, and as you can see, Bitcoin in particular is going down faster than the equity markets. And of course, when Bitcoin goes down, the alts go down even faster than that. Now, I'm going to give you a conversation that I would have when I was running my prop trading desk. We have a market that's been totally slaughtered by fundamental facts about the economy. Now, on Wednesday, CPI comes out. That's obviously Consumer Price Index, a factor in inflation that will be watched severely. There are indications that most people predicting where it'll be will say that it will improve, meaning it'll go down more than it was up in the prior month. This is, of course, being built into the market. So from a short-term perspective, my thinking would be, as a prop trader, and this is not a long-term, and I keep repeating this, the market's due for a bounce. I am not predicting when it would be, but if and I wasn't, and I didn't recommend, and I was wrong, of course, everybody who was short and pressed their shorts, and there are a lot of leveraged shorts in this market, they have to look for a place to cover, because leveraged traders tend to be short-term traders. And the CPI number, if it's bad, they're not going to cover. But they may start to cover. So what I am watching very carefully is the premium on the futures indexes for Bitcoin and the discount and the relationship between the price of Bitcoin on Binance, which is primarily retail, though it has heavier volume than Coinbase Pro, which tends to have larger and some institutions on it. And if there is a, if you will, Coinbase premium, it suggests the institutions who've been playing from the short term may be beginning to cover, and the amount of the discount or the premium on the futures contract will also suggest whether they're covering. So begin to watch that as we watch the market. I am not beginning to average in. The market's just horrible. And the problem with Luna is serious, serious, serious. If that stable coin UST goes, we have a whole different problem. And this is a footnote. Everybody was worried about Tether. Tether now has commercial paper on real estate. That might be much better than any sort of crazy algorithm that Luna has. Let's see what happens. It's going to be wild.